Hi, John from CloudShed here, and today we're in Google Workspace and we're looking at how you can schedule your emails in Gmail. That rhymes. Not everyone works 9 to 5 anymore. Some of you might get up early in the morning and do some work for the school run. Some of you might be more productive in the evening. But it'll come as no surprise that not everyone likes to receive emails out of hours. But Gmail has Schedule Send, and we're going to have a look at that now. So you can go into the top left and click the Compose button to start your email, or you might have one drafted like me. Here's one I did earlier. So this is an email to Lauren. It's about our CloudShed workflow sessions, and I want to schedule a call for it this week. Now this is out of hours, so she won't appreciate receiving this now, and it might make her feel pressure to reply now, and we don't want that. So instead of clicking the blue send button, I'm going to head to the right of it, where there's a little downward facing arrow. I'm going to click on that and then tap Schedule Send. Here it gives you some suggested times you might want to send it, or you can click Select Date and Time to send it whenever you like, so you can customize it. So I'm going to go for tomorrow, and we'll go for 9 AM. Don't want to give it too early a start. And then I just click the blue Schedule Send button. This has now scheduled the email for me. I can see it under the scheduled label on the left hand side of my mailbox. You can see there's a 1 there. And if I click on there, I can see the email and edit it or cancel it if I needed to. Quick and simple. Thanks for tuning in.